Hey, and welcome to this yoga class. Today we are doing energizing poses, and we are starting in seated position. You can have your legs crossed, and from there, with your inhalation, start reaching toward the ceiling. With your exhalation, twist yourself to the right. Again, inhalation, reach up, and exhalation, reach or twist to the left. And continue like this with your own breath. Inhale, reach. Exhale, twist. Inhale, reach. And exhale, twist. And try to keep your back straight and long while you are sitting here and doing the twists. And find that strength from your core to keep your back straight. Last one. And then come to your all fours. We are moving on to cat and cow. So with your inhalation, press your shoulders back and down in a way and lift up your gaze toward the ceiling. With your exhalation, round your back, push it toward the ceiling. Inhale, curve your upper back, and with your exhalation, round your back. And be really mindful here, so keep your core at least a little bit engaged so you don't bring pressure into your lower back. And from there, come on to your downward facing dog. Step in between your hands. Come onto your forward fold, and from there, lift yourself up. We are moving on to sun salutation. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, come to your forward fold. Inhale, straighten your back, step back on your mat, and come to your chaturanga. Inhale, up dog or cobra, and exhale, come to your down dog. From down dog, keep in mind that your legs or your thighs are engaged, your core is engaged, and your fingers are firmly pressed on your mat. Inhale, lift your gaze in between your hands, step in between your hands and come to your forward fold. From there, inhale your arms up, exhale your Tadasana. Inhale, arms up, look up, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift up your gaze, straighten your back, step back on your mat, come to your plank pose and press down to your chaturanga. From there, up dog or cobra, knees up or down, and from there to your down dog. And breathe here. Legs, core engaged, back long, fingers firmly on your mat. Inhale, lift up your gaze, step in between your hands, come to your forward fold. Inhale, arms up, look up, exhale, come to your Tadasana. Inhale, arms up, look up, exhale, forward fold. Inhale, lift up your gaze, step back on your mat, come to your plank pose. From there, chaturanga down, up dog or cobra, shoulders back and down, and exhale to your down dog. Find your breath here. Inhale, lift up your gaze, step in between your hands, straighten your back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale your arms up, look up. Exhale, come to your Tadasana. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, straighten your back, lift up your gaze, step back on your mat, come to your plank pose. Chaturanga down, up dog or cobra, and downward facing dog. Inhale, lift your gaze, step in between your hands, straighten your back. Exhale, come to your forward fold. Inhale your arms up, look up. Exhale, come to your Tadasana. One last time. Inhale your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, straighten your back. Step back on your mat to your plank pose. And come down to your Chaturanga. Inhale, Cobra or Up Dog. And exhale to your downward facing dog. Inhale, look in between your hands, step in between your hands, straighten your back. Exhale to your forward fold. Inhale, arms up, look up. Exhale to your Tadasana. We are moving to triangle pose, so step your left leg back on your mat. Bring your arms to your shoulder level. Press your hip back, reach your right hand to the front of the room, and then let your right hand fall wherever it falls and come to your Trikonasana, your triangle pose. So make sure here that your thighs are engaged and your sides of your body are in equal length. So have that feeling that you are kind of bringing your tail in between your legs. If you, of course, had a tail. And you can stay here, or if you want to balance a little, you can come onto your half moon pose. So bring your weight onto your right leg. Bring your right hand to the front side of your right leg and lift your left leg up. You can have your right hand onto your mat, or you can just reach your right hand toward your mat and just balance with your leg. So not touching with your hand on the mat. And then prepare yourself to switch sides, triangle pose to the other side. So now you bring first your leg down, you come to Trikonasana to your right side, and then just switch to the other direction of your mat. Hips back, reach forward, and come to your Trikonasana on your left leg side. And remember that you are opening your chest here. And try to remember here that you are not collapsing on your left leg, but your both sides of your body are in equal length. And find a comfortable position here for your breath. And again, you can stay here or move on to the half moon pose, to the other side. So bring your left hand to the front of your left leg and then come onto your left leg. Your hands are still opening, your chest is opening here, and you are balancing on your left leg. And then slowly, you can bring your right leg back to your mat and come to your Trikonasana and then lift yourself up. And we come onto our mats, lying on our bellies, and from there, first pose is the Cobra pose. So bring your palms under your shoulders and lift yourself up. Bring your shoulders back and down, and find comfortable position here for your breath. You also have an option here to keep your forearms on your mat, so it's not that big pressure to your lower back, for example. Wherever you decided to be, just make sure that you breathe fully in and out, opening your chest. And for the next pose, you can either stay where you are or you can lift yourself up to your upward facing dog. So lift yourself up, shoulders back and down, and your hips are off from your mat. And you can also lift your gaze up a little. And just relax and breathe here. And then come lie on your mat. Bring either one of your cheeks onto your mat and just relax for a moment. And our next pose is bridge pose. So come lie on your back, bend your knees, bring your heels close to your bum, your hands to your sides, palms on the mat, and lift your hips up. And just find the place for your breath here, lifting up your hips toward the ceiling. Breathing in fully and breathing out fully. Now we have another heart opening here also. So you can do the bridge pose again, or you can come onto your wheel pose. So come again to the starting point of the bridge, lift up your hips, bring your palms under your shoulders, lift yourself up, bring the crown of your head to your mat and lift yourself up. And find your breath here. Now when you come down from your wheel or your bridge, straighten your legs, lie on your back, and from there you can lift up your knees to your chest and hug your knees in. And just relax for a breath or two here. We are doing seated twists, and you can sit having your legs crossed Or you can also have your right leg on your half lotus, and in that case bring your right hand behind your back and grab hold of your right toes. And try to keep your back straight and long here. And we are switching sides. Left side, so bring either your left leg to the front if you are sitting cross-legged, or your left leg onto your half lotus. And just breathe. Breathe here, lengthen your spine, relax your mind, relax your body. And then we are ready to do our Savasana, our final relaxation. And you can come lie on your back, on your mat, and relax your body. Bring your arms on your sides, palms up, and let your hips relax also. So bring your feet a little bit, let them turn a little bit outside or outward. And let every breath, especially every exhalation, bring a little bit more relaxation into your body. If there's some tension or some unwanted feelings that you want to let go of, this is your place to do that. Just breathe and relax. Let go. My quote today goes like this: you were born in this world to be real, not to be perfect. Slowly, slowly you can bring a little bit movement into your body. Your fingers, your toes. Maybe you want to stretch yourself. Maybe you want to hug your knees in. And when you are ready, turn onto your right side. Bring your hands under your head. And then come up to seated. You can keep your eyes closed, back straight and long. This is your place for gratitude to the practice that you just did. Bringing your palms onto your heart center. Lifting your thumbs in between your brows. Make a little bow to say thank you. Namaste. And I see you in the next video. Bye.